Benny the bear had the hiccups. Eish heis! Just one tiny little hiccup. No big deal. Except, Eish heis! It knocked his breakfast off the table. Eish heis! It scared away a butterfly. Eish heis! It woke up every single bird in the tree. Luna said, hold your breath. Benny held it and held it and held it. Eish heis! Max said, drink water upside down. Benny tried. Water went everywhere. Coco said, think of something really scary. Benny thought hard. Nothing. Then Coco sneezed directly in his face. Benny froze. And then, silence. Gone. The hiccups were cured by a cat sneeze. Obviously.